Making sense of fractions and decimals. Which is bigger? Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of fractions and decimals. Specifically, we'll focus on how to compare and order them. Have you ever wondered which is bigger, 3/4 or 0.7? Stick around and by the end of this video, you'll have the answers. Fractions represent parts of a whole. 3/4 means 3 out of 4 parts of a whole. On the other hand, decimals represent numbers in the base 10 system. The decimal 0.7 is the same as saying 7 out of 10 parts of a whole. Before comparing a fraction to a decimal, it's easier if they're in the same format. Here's how. 1. Convert the fraction to a decimal. For instance, to convert 3/4 to a decimal. 2. Divide the numerator, 3, by the denominator, 4. 3. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. 4. Now, compare the two decimals. 5. 0.75, which is 3/4, is greater than 0.7. Let's say you have a list. 1/2, 0.45, 5/8, 0.6. To order them. 1. Convert all fractions to decimals. 2. 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. 3. 5/8 equals 0.625. 4. Arrange all the numbers, now in decimal form. 5. 0.45, 0.5, 0.6, 0.625. So, in ascending order: 0.45, 1/2, 0.6, 5/8. 1. Fractions with a denominator of 10, 100, 1000, etc. can be easily converted to decimals. For example, 3/10 equals 0.3. 2. For fractions with other denominators, use a calculator or perform long division. 3. Remember, the larger the denominator in a fraction, with a constant numerator, the smaller its value. So, 1/3 is greater than 1/4. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively compare and order fractions and decimals. We hope this video clarifies any confusions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on problems and soon it'll be second nature. Happy learning!